We have a latest news coming in that Delhi's Taj Mansingh Hotel is now converted into a hospital and attached to Sir Gangaram Hospital as a coronavirus center for dealing with the coronavirus cases. Now this sounds very scary. All the now IITs, IIMs and now five-star hotels are being converted. This is like a typical Hollywood World War movie. And when a time, this is obviously a scary time, this is very serious time, and I want your opinion as well, what you feel about this, whether this should be done or not. I personally feel this is a very good thing. See, they're not, now one argument can be why not they use government properties, government offices they can use, but what about the bed, what about the rooms, quarantine centers, how they can make in the office. Now here all the hotels are now empty, so they can be used as a quarantine center. See, first of all, it's not free. The patient have to pay for that. Like the government rule now is you have to pay 5,000 rupees for if you want to be there. The patient have to pay 5,000 rupees to stay in that room, in a hotel room, 5,000 rupees per day. So we can use that facilities very effectively. That can be one good argument against them why they're saying that. Same way, IIT Bombay have been converted into a quarantine center. That's a news which comes against the strong objection by IIT Bombay. The still IIT Bombay is converted into a coronavirus center, quarantine facility, IIT Bombay. Yeah, and IIM as well. IIM Shillong is the first IIM which is converted into a coronavirus center in Meghalaya. IIM Shillong have been turned into a coronavirus center. Now what you feel about this, please do post. So these things obviously is very scary to look at. यार obviously यार हमने कभी देखा नहीं, in our lifetime we have never seen these kind of things. So but this is important यार. We need looking at the population of India and looking at the kind of virus which can spread. I think all these things are important. ठीक है, I know education will suffer. Education can be is now being done online, but online will not be that effective in MBA colleges as really the education normally should be. But अभी क्या कर सकते हैं यार, ठीक है. अभी what do you feel about this? Is it good or a bad step? Please do post. I personally feel it's important for the country that we have to do all these things. So IIM Shillong have 120 beds ready. Sorry, 250 beds ready for the coronavirus center. Overnight we have a 250 bed center ready if the colleges are agreeing to this. Only one college. Just imagine all the IITs, IIMs, all the second grade colleges, third grade colleges, if they all come together, especially the government colleges, it can be a very good for the patient point of view. Obviously education point of view, it's obviously bad. So I talked to a couple of more colleges as well. They are saying yes, they have got a notice as well. Be prepared, be ready that your college can be converted into a coronavirus center. All the government colleges. Private colleges obviously are safe for the time being, but आगे जाके they can also be converted in the coronavirus center provided if the number of cases go up. Yeah, so we as a responsible citizen, we have to stay at home. Just avoid unnecessary travel outside and stay at home so that we are all safe. Yeah, so guys, 2020 is bad year, no doubt about this. 2020 is going very bad, so we can just now at this moment health is wealth. Trust me, stay healthy, take prevention so that we don't get caught into this. All the best.